Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to register a Union Bank internet banking account online. If you're a Union Bank of India customer, you can easily register for internet banking online without visiting the branch. Firstly, go to the Union Bank of India internet banking portal, then click on Retail Login if you're an individual user. Now for business or corporate accounts, select Corporate Login. Now on the next page, click on the New User option to begin the registration process. Fill in your registered mobile number, account number, customer ID and email ID, and once all details are correct, click on Submit. You receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Just enter it and tap on Proceed. Now you need to create a new login password for your internet banking account. Re-enter it to confirm, and once done, you'll see a confirmation pop up, successfully registered. You can now log into Union Bank internet banking using your user ID and password. You've successfully now activated the internet banking online. You can check your balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and even much more, anytime, anywhere. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.